Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dipto Sarkar and today I am gonna share with you how you can easily customize your single product page. When you use on a e-commerce website on WooCommerce plugin, then you find some default single product page and maybe you don't like the default single product page and you wanna create your own style on single product page, then this video will help you to create your own style single product page. So without talking too much, let's dive in. So I will show you a demo e-commerce website which is powered by WooCommerce and building page by Elementor, and I will show you how you can build your single product page by using one plugin and the Elementor page builder. So here are the WooCommerce website. Okay, and if I go to the single product page, then the single product page looks something like that. Here is the image. Okay, here is the images, the name and the price, the short description, SKU category, add to cart button. So here is the description and related product, but we will design your own style by using Elementor, and you need one plugin and we need to install this. So the plugin name is Shop Engine. Okay, and we need to install this. So click on add new, and after clicking on add new, we need to search Shop Engine. Okay, here is the Shop Engine. So here is the Shop Engine plugin. You need to install this, and after install, you need to active. So it is installing and maybe it takes some time based on your internet connection. My internet connection unfortunately is a little bit slower, and for that reason it takes some time, but maybe on your end it will install by one click and by 1 second, And now I have to active this, so click on active. So our plugin is already installed, and now we need to create one template on Shop Engine, and on this single product template will work all over for all the product on my site, my demo site. Okay, so you can find the Shop Engine here, and you need to click the builder template. And after clicking on builder template, one new window will pop up here. Okay, so this is for the first time. Next step, and again next step here. Okay, next step. I am using this for very first time, for that reason this is showing up. Maybe on your end it will show only one time, and after that you just directly go with on a builder template window. So here's the builder template window, and you need to click on add new. Okay, and the template will be a single product page, right? So we can make the name on single product. Single product. Oops. Product. Okay, so type is single. Okay, single product. Okay, it is active, and you need to click on active because then it will make a by default page. So your create page will be a by default page for your single product. Okay, so you need to active so you need to slide up and it will, yes. And here are some different template, but as we are creating a new one, then we can take a blank template from here and we can go for edit with Elementor. So we need to select a product here, and by help of this product outline we can make a design. So we can take a product from here. So maybe this would be the product Benny. Where is my BE? Okay, so this would be the product, and by help of this product I will design the whole single product page. So here one warning pop up. It shows your site doesn't have a default kit. Maybe somehow a default kit deleted. Maybe this warning not showing on your end, then it will be good. So it's showing on my end, so we need to recreate the kit. Click on recreate, and after recreate you can find the recreate kit and then click on here. Okay, then save changes, and then go to shop engine again. So here's the shop engine builder template. Okay, now again I need to click on active and then edit with Elementor. Select the product, and after select the product, click on edit with Elementor, and it will now directly place you into the Elementor. Okay, so we are on Elementor and now we need to design. Okay, so on the left hand side you can find lots of widgets from shop engine general, shop engine single, product, and now you can design as per your need. So I will take some design. Okay, so here is the shop page, and now if I click on specific product, then I will show the our design specific product page here. So it will loading. So here are our specific product page. So here is the product title, price, description, in stock, SKU, the product review here, the product image from here. So and whatever product you are on, from there you will find our single product page. Like if we wanna open this one, so here is the product, and this is also our design specific product page. So this is the thing, you can design your custom single product page like that way. And for free version you can use this widget for design your single product page. And if you purchase the shop engine premium one, then you can definitely find some more option and some more ability to customize your single product page. And if you are a beginner and you wanna use this premium shop engine plugin, then definitely you can do one thing. You can let me know in the comment section. I will try to give you this shop engine premium version, so you can use on your end for your practice purpose or for learning purpose. You can use this. So by this way you can definitely create your own preferred custom product page for your e-commerce site. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, do subscribe, and if you have any confusion, any suggestion, or if you really need this shop engine premium version, you can let me know by comment. You can make a comment below and I will try to give you the shop engine premium one. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.